This is a storm. This is the storm outside. It's raining. The trees are blowing. And I have to go inside. Hey everybody, Leanne here. Just wanted to say, that my day today, February, February 6th was, so, I kind of got, upset. Um, yeah, I kind of got upset today, about just be able to get a job and be able uh, to be able to start going to college and taking my classes I want to take. And it seems to be, taking slow. I know people have been saying about being positive and, being patient, but, I'm trying to be positive, and it's hard to be patient sometimes when things are going so slow, and it's like you want things to be happening, they're not. So yeah, and also, I post videos Thursdays and Fridays, so please subscribe if you can. And the next video will be next Thursday.